Welcome. In this tutorial, we want to talk about Null. What is a Null? Null is that layer you use to control other layers. See, Null don't have fill, you don't have stroke. You can't actually see it on your composition, but you can use it to control other layers in your composition. How can we add a Null to our timeline? Click here, you go to your objects and elements, and you can see we have camera null empty group project slash element slash project. Now you just click this to add a null to your timeline. Alright, so you can see the default options we have for null. We have the time remap property, we have the ability to trim and split the null layer, and we have the move and transform and the effects. That means there's no color, there's no border and shadow, there's no opacity and all, because you can actually see the null layer. Alright, so like I say, a null is used to control other layers. It's very important and it's very useful. So as you start working on more complex animation, you start to see the uses of null. Now we have this two star layer, and I want them to rotate at the center. If I parent this star layer I parent this one to the other star layer, and let me go to this one and rotate it, you can see, well, this is not the kind of rotation I'm looking for. That's where null comes into place. So let me undo that. Let me redo. Now you can see with our null layer, we can parent both of the star to the null. So let me click on this, and let's parent this to the null, and let's parent this one to the null. Alright, so now if I click on the null and go to the move and transform and rotate, you see the two layers are rotating from where the null is, because this is the icon for the null. Both same thing for the position and the scale. That's the simple uses of null, but it's very powerful. The idea is to just use it to control other layers. Now you can see that the null also gives us ability to add effects to it. So if you click on effect tab and go to add effects, the thing is, not all effects works. Yes, you can go to color and light and let's say add gradient overlay. See, nothing is going to change, you won't see anything. That's because the null layer is not visible, so most of these effects won't work with it. But the effect that you can use and you can see the impact is, let's go to that effect, is the move and transform effect. So if I had this, go to this effect, and let's say I go to oscillate and go to standard setting. Now you can see if I play the animation, you can see that this affects the layers that are parented to the null. So just take note, not all the effects will work on the null. If you want to add a gradient overlay, it's better you just add it on the layer itself, or you group the layers together and add the effect. Alright, so I hope you understand what null is all about now. It's a simple concept, but you'll be using it almost every time when you animate. Thank you.